Hello, this is Mrs. Lean, and I am so beyond happy and excited and grateful and privileged that I get to do this speech in honor of Jordana Rost, who is the Teacher's Choice for Positive Attitude for her senior year of high school. I cannot believe, Jordana, that you are about to graduate from high school and not be in our building anymore because it seems like just yesterday that you were in my ninth grade Avid class, and every single day you came to class with a smile on your beautiful face, and you were so positive, and you always wanted to tell me stories and play games and discuss and do your work, and just no matter what we did, you had a smile on your face, and you were so happy. And I have to tell you, you've made my day on multiple occasions. You were always so friendly to me when you came into my room. Every day when I said, "Hi, Jordana," or "Good morning, Jordana," you had a big smile and you said, "Good morning, Miss Lee," and you were just so happy to be there. And as a teacher, you don't always get students who are just so excited to see you. And I appreciate that so much. And I'm sad that I don't get to tell you that in person because you need to know how wonderful you've been for me and for our class and for all your other teachers. Clearly, everyone believes that you have a really positive attitude because all of your teachers agreed. Um, we all see that bubbly personality that you have, and we are so impressed and in awe of you. So, thank you for making our day. I know that you're going to go on and you're going to do such great things for the world because the world needs more people like you. I am so proud of you. I'm proud of you for everything you've accomplished in high school and for, you're about to graduate and then you're about to go and serve the United States in the military. And it gives me goosebumps to think about that because I met you as a young ninth grader, as a freshman. I don't think you maybe had it all planned out, but now it seems like you've planned things out well and you know what you want and you're going after it. You've always been so motivated and you've always kind of known what you wanted and gone for it. And that's exactly what you're doing now. And I'm just so pleased and proud of you. And man, I'm going to miss you so much because you were somebody who came to my class and just talked to me and told me stories and told me about your life and asked me how I was. And I mean, you were one of the sweetest people ever when you found out that I was getting married. You were so excited for me. I mean, you've always treated me almost like a friend. And like you've said a few times, we're like sisters. So, man, I'm going to miss you so much. But I hope you know that I will always be here for you. And your teachers and I are so proud of you. And you are going to do great things, girl. Come back and visit us at ZHS because we will not forget you. Congratulations on being on your senior year Positive Attitude Award for the year.